Damn, it's Monday and I need to write some content for my blog. I just don't know what. And my readers are going to come to my blog and they don't have anything to read. This sucks. I guess you already felt this way. I mean, you want to write content on a weekly basis for your blog because, of course, you want to get people to read your blog. But some days you just feel stuck. You just don't have any kind of ideas. Everything just seems really bad. But we got a solution for you. It's called Jasper.ai, and in this video I'm going to review this software. I'm going to explain its dashboard, its features, its pricing so you can choose the right planning for you, and by the end of this video I'm going to share with you my little secret strategy so you can write blog posts extremely fast using this software. And if you decide to get this software from me, you got a link right below in the description from this video. Just click on it so you can claim your first 10,000 words completely free. You can use Jasper completely free during the next 5 days, and you can test all of its features and see if this software is right for you. And also I'm going to send to you a special bonus. You just need to send an email to jordan@jordanalexo.com. Anyway, let's start talking about this software. So what exactly is Jasper.ai? Jasper.ai is an artificial intelligence writer. It helps you more quickly write blog posts, advertisement for Facebook, product descriptions, even ebooks. You can use this software to write ebooks and all of those things. And it's basically, let's imagine that you have like someone just next to you helping you write faster and high quality content, okay? And it's a lot cheaper for you to get this software than to hire someone to write content for your blog, which may cost, like for a post, more than $100, or even get a specialist copywriter to write advertisement for Facebook or other type of advertisement that you want to have. Also, this is a software that is recommended by famous brands, as you can see, IBM, Logitech, so famous brands over here, Google, and you can see that in famous reviews websites like G2, it has a pretty good rating at the moment, 4.8 rating. Basically, no one is saying bad about this, as you can see. You can even go over here and read some reviews. Pretty good information. Also, Trustpilot, another famous review website, pretty much the same rating, 4.8. And this is one of the best IE softwares out there on the market at the moment. And it's a pretty awesome software that I've been using for a couple of months now. Okay, so this is Jasper.ai dashboard. As you can see, it has a clean look. It's user friendly, even for beginners. You can just get in and quickly get the hang of their dashboard. Anyway, this is the front page. You can see that you can also join their Facebook group, so you can join like-minded people, ask them questions if you need help, or later on even provide advice to other people who are starting out. You have several things over here. You can also click over this this thing over here, and if you want to get help, you can ask the community, which will lead you to the Facebook group. But you can also click on this option called Jasper One-on-One, and this is a pretty awesome feature that you have. And you can just follow this guide. It has several videos, as you can see, several videos explaining in detail how you can use their software. This is something that I like about Jasper.ai, is that they have this bootcamp. So once you get to the end, you even get a certificate as you completed their bootcamp. And yeah, you kind of master their software by following this bootcamp. So it's a pretty awesome feature. Another thing I like is their templates, and this is something that you will use a lot. You have several templates for several frameworks. You have like a paragraph generator. Let's say that you want to add a paragraph to one of your blog posts. You can use this option with their artificial intelligence. It will generate that paragraph for you. You have the IDA framework. This is great for sales pages. It uses the framework attention, interest, desire, action, so you can have copyrighted content that you can use for a sales page or even for the introduction of your post. So you have also this one, Content Improver, and I'm going to show to you several of these templates so you can get a better idea of how they work, but I'm just going to scroll down. Also for Facebook Ads headline, this is a pretty cool feature. So I'm just going to scroll down so you can just see all of the templates that you get once you register with Jasper.ai. Okay, so that's just a few of them. I like this one. I often use this one over here, IDA framework. Let's say that I have let's say a keto diet for beginners course. Okay, so I want to sell my keto diet and teach people to lose 10 pounds in 10 days. I'm just, just showing to you what you can do over here, and you can choose the tone of voice. This will affect the copy that you get. Okay, so if you want, let's say, witty, friendly, angry, polite, professional, let's try, whoa, you even have more if you click over here, click see more, and you can even choose other ones. Let's say Tony Robbins. Let's check Tony Robbins over here. And you can see, you can choose to get one or more outputs if you want. Let's choose 2 and let's see what we get over here. Okay, let's choose 2 outputs. We get 2 different outputs, as you can see, and you can choose the best one that you want to use. Do you want to know the keto diet for beginners? The keto diet is a great way to lose weight and feel better. It's simple, easy to follow, and it works. As you can see, you get pretty awesome content. This is generated by their artificial intelligence. You can see also, if you don't know exactly about something, you can click over here, explainer video, and they provide you a video. You have videos for everything. So this is one of them that I use a lot. I also like the Content Improver, which I'm going to show to you how you can use it. So let's say that you have some content that you would like to improve on your website. Let's say this one over here, okay, this piece of content. You just grab, copy, paste it over here. You choose the tone of voice that you want. I usually like to use excited. And you generate the number of outputs that you want. Let's choose 2, generate output, and we get 2 different ones that you can use. Machines may eventually replace SEO as the complexity of algorithms increase, and so on. So this is a way for you to quickly improve the content on your blog, or even when you are writing content using Jasper.ai, you can also use this template for that. Okay, so let's go back and let's check another one. Let's check over here for Facebook ads. Okay, so let's say that we have a paleo diet for beginners. Once again, let's say lose 10 pounds and lose 20 pounds, let's say, in 21 days. Professional. Okay. And let's check over here with 3. Let's see what we get over here. Lose 20 pounds in 20 days with the paleo for the beginners. Okay, so we get over 21 paleo meal diet plan to help you lose 20 pounds. So this is like headlines that you can use for your first Facebook ads. So this is also another pretty good option that you can use. Explain it to a child. I like this one. You can grab like some piece of content from your blog. Once again, let's grab this one and put over here, and it makes the content even easier for people to read. Okay, so let's generate another one and show to you how you can. Some experts believe that SEO can better. Okay, so you can check side by side and you can see the content is just easier for people to read. So these are a few templates that you can use. Also testimonials, persuasive bullet points, paleo diet for beginner.
Okay, witty. Let's check witty.
Okay, let's put over here 2, generate 2, and we get bullet points that we can use. Okay. Okay, pretty cool options over here. Okay, so these are the templates that you can use for using Jasper.ai. Now, what exactly are recipes? It's a way that you can use. It's basically a formula that will allow you to write content a lot faster for your blog posts and so on. So we have over here a few of them, and you can click on this one. And once again, you have videos explaining everything over here. And you can see that you can use this formula to write faster content for your blog posts. Okay, this is something that sometimes I use, and it helps me a lot. Okay, so when it comes to plans, you have three different plans. You have the starter plan, the boss mode, and the business plan. Okay, so when you're starting out, you are most likely only going to use one of these two first plans. Now, which one should you choose? Okay, so if you are just planning on writing short form content, this includes like a description for your Amazon products or something like that, or for the advertisement on Facebook or other platforms, then the startup plan is pretty good. That's the only one that you need, and it starts at $29 each month. It also increases if you want to get more words. As you can see, 20,000 words is pretty good for you to start. Then you have the boss mode plan. This is especially if you intend to use Jasper.ai to write or to help you write long form content. This is blog posts, articles, sales pages, stuff like that. You have this plan. This is the one that you should choose, okay, because you can't use the first one for that. This is the one that you should choose, and it starts at $59 each month. And once again, the same thing, the more words that you need, the more you pay. If you want to reduce the cost a bit, you can choose to pay upfront a whole year. As you can see, it decreases the pricing a bit, okay? So once again, starter plan if you just plan on writing short form content, the boss mode plan if you want to write blog posts and stuff like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I write content for my blog extremely fast using Jasper.ai. So you go to Documents, you choose New, and once you go over here, you can choose the blog post workflow or start from scratch. And let's go over here and let's say that we want to write something for the paleo diet. Today it's all about paleo. Paleo for beginners. Let's say I want 5 or let's say 11 tips about paleo for beginners to help people lose weight. So you want to write content like if you were speaking to someone. That's the way that you want to write instructions for Jasper.ai. And over here you want to choose some keywords. Let's say paleo for beginners. Let's say that's the first one. Over here paleo diet. Okay, and press continue. Now you can generate some titles for your blog post. So let's generate some ideas over here. Let's see what we get. You have several ones. Okay, let's choose the best one. Let's say this one. 11 tips for paleo. And now you can generate some ideas for a paragraph. Okay, so let's generate for the intro paragraph. I mean, let's say if you are just starting out the paleo diet, blah, 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 you can read this one. Let's say this one. Okay, and let's open our editor. Okay, so we start out with this content. You have some information over here. Let's choose the voice tone that we want for our content. I like to choose excited, but we can choose another one if you want. We can go over here and choose another one. Let's say Optimus Prime. That seems cool. Let's choose this one. Okay, Optimus Prime. Let's choose long form, and let's tell Jasper.ai to write an outline. So write an outline. Let's see what we get over here, and it will start writing an outline. Okay, and once you get to the end, then you can see that it still hasn't ended. Let's see if we get more. Okay, it starts writing some content over here. Let's remove this. Okay, so it starts writing over here, but let's do this, and let's put over here. Let's put header 2 for this. Actually, let's put everything has header 2. Okay, let's go over here and let's say let's write content for this. Let's see. And once you want to write, let's say for what is the paleo diet and how does it work, you just use Control J and it starts writing content. as you can see, pretty fast. And let's see if it has a bit more. Output length, you can choose if you want short, medium. I'm using longer to write all of this content, but we can put over here medium if you want to write less content. Of course, you need to kind of read this to get a better idea. And also this integrates with Grammarly, as you can see. I have Grammarly integrated, and also you have copy skip if you want to check if the content is unique or not. And as you can see, we quickly already have 331 words. Of course, I would need to read this, but let's go to another bullet point. And actually, I probably would need to increase this a bit because it only gave me 7 points, but I want 11, as you can see, 11 tips. So I would need to increase this a bit and just probably do further research. The benefits of the palette. Let's put over here. The palette data has been shown, and you can use Grammarly to actually change this and correct it, as you can see, which is also a pretty good software that you can use. And I use it on a daily basis. I'm actually going to put longer, to just write more content. And as you can see, it quickly writes content for you. A lot of content. And we can go to another point and do rinse and repeat. And you can see that soon. Of course, as you can see, with some blog posts, it basically writes everything for you, and the only thing that you need to do is just check everything and see if the content is right, if there's no grammar mistakes and stuff like that, and just correct it. And with, using Grammarly, it makes everything really easy. As you can see, I already have like 702 words. I would just need to edit something over here and see everything, okay? And once again, if you want to assess the templates, you can go over here to power mode and you can assess the templates, the ones that I already explained. Also, in this case, I don't have, but you can also use a Surfer SEO. I'm using also Surfer SEO, but it's not integrated with my Jasper.ai account. But you can also use Surfer SEO to help you optimize your content for the search engines, so you can more easily get visitors from Google and other search engines to your blog. Okay, so this is how I easily write blog posts using Jasper.ai. Jasper.ai artificial intelligence. As you can see, it easily generates the content for blog posts, and just in a matter of minutes, probably in an hour or two, you already have a good blog post to publish on your website. Okay, so let's wrap this up. If you are planning on writing blog posts, sales pages, and so on, with the assistance of artificial intelligence to speed up the whole process a lot more, I recommend for you to use Jasper.ai, because Jasper.ai has one of the most powerful long-form writers out there. I really tested other similar software tools, and this is definitely one of the best ones, because you get content that looks like it was written by a human being instead of a machine, and if you want to use that option, then choose the boss mode plan. If you want to write just short form content, then use this one, the starter plan. And also, using this software, you will notice an increase on content that you produce on a weekly basis for a blog, and so on and so on. And it's a lot cheaper than hiring a writer. As I said, hiring a writer is just a lot more expensive. Okay, once again, you got a link right below on the description from this video, so you can start with your 10,000 words for free. Also, make sure to send me an email to jordan@jordanalexo.com. You got all of the information right below, so we'll send to you my free bonus. Okay, that is all for this video. Stay tuned with Jordan Alexo, and bye.